Everybody loves the Manhattan cocktail, but have you tried a reverse Manhattan? Keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, so the Manhattan cocktail is probably my top 5 cocktails of all time. But have you tried a reverse Manhattan? It's very simple to make, and all we're doing is we're reversing the sweet vermouth with the rye. Super simple to make, super tasty. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So the first ingredient that it calls for is 60 mils or 2 ounces of a sweet vermouth. I'm using the Dolin Rouge, 2 ounces or 60 mils. Then we need 1 ounce or 30 mils of a rye whiskey. Now I suggest that you use something that is around that 50% ABV or higher. I'm going to use a Rittenhouse rye, it's 50%. The reason that I use a higher alcohol rye is because I really want that rye to come through. When you're going up against 60 mils or 2 ounces of sweet vermouth, you need something that's going to punch through that flavor, and the Rittenhouse works really well. Another one that I use is the Jack Daniel's rye as well. It's fantastic. Last but not least, some Angostura Bitters. If you're using the Angostura bottle, 2 dashes. I've had to do a few more because the little spout on the end of my bitters bottle is small, so I've got to do double the amount. Gonna add some ice. Give it a nice stir down. I normally drink my rye whiskey neat, but it works so well in cocktails as well. If you've got a bottle laying around there, especially for my friends in the bourbon and the rye groups from all over the world, this is a cocktail that you should really try. If you're not into cocktails but you love your whiskeys, you won't be disappointed. So I'm going to strain that into a small cocktail glass. As you saw, I always chill my glassware down. I want to pour a nice cold drink into a warm glass. Oh, it looks delicious already. For my garnish, really simple, just an orange twist. I like to peel it over the top of the drink so it releases those oils. Dropped in there. That is the reverse Manhattan. Let's give it a try. Oh, yum. It's so well balanced. You would think that 2 shots of the sweet vermouth would be a little bit overpowering, but that rye whiskey is just coming through really nicely. The Angostura Bitters is just tying it all together. Super dangerous to drink. Yum. I think I'm going to finish this one. Got a few videos to do today, but it is way too good to pour out. Make this cocktail. It is bloody delicious. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. We've hit 2,000 subscribers. We want 200,000. Help us out. It's free. Just want to grow this channel, guys. Thank you for all my viewers all over the world. We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.